he started talking about Allah and started introducing me to, you know, the Quran and their ways. But it was funny because I was shacking at the same time. So I don't know, but I was living with him at the same time.
Right.
Not married, so, but I was so young, 19, 20.
Like he's telling you about all these rules,
All these rules,
and
but
y'all
we
are
left
breaking
that one
them.
out. Yeah, while we were breaking them, exactly. And was going to the mosque. You know, I didn't know. I had skirts, you know, way up to here, and all the women had everything down to there. I was like, oh, I didn't know.
I did not get that dress code.
Yeah, exactly.
You see how my wife did that?
See? Well, you gotta find out.
That's true, but he didn't tell. So I don't know. It was just all the men sit on one side, all the women sit on the other. It was just crazy. He taught me Arabic, how to pray on the rug. I was in there, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I was.
Oh, do that again. Come on, do it again. Do it again. Louder.
I was.
No.
He wants to get me on video.
Yeah, I can tell he's recording it.
But at the same time, it was just a really rough road. I went through a lot with him, a lot. Even to the point where he choked me and I passed out. And then I got pregnant with her. We were still living together, still going through turmoil. And so I knew the God that, you know, my mom taught me about. And so I said, wait a minute, maybe that's the God that's going to do it, because I don't pray to Allah too many times and nothing is happening, no answer, no. And so I laid in the bed with him, beside him, pregnant, tears rolling down my face. I said, God, I don't know who you are anymore. I don't know if you're Buddha, Confucius, or Allah, or even Jesus anymore. I said, but with the real will, the real God, please stand up in my life. And thus, here I am. I tell you, after that, things got worse before they got better, because I had to get pushed out the door.
Yeah.
You know, and so that's what happened. 2 days or a day after I had her and left him, I got saved and been that since. I mean, been that since.
Amen.
2004.